Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? So there's a very frequently asked question from the students who are preparing for their IELTS is that how can we improve our focus in the listening exam? Definitely the listening exam is a multitasking exam. You have to listen to the recording, you have to try and identify the answers, you have to, choose the answers or write them down. You are challenging all of your capabilities. I mean, it's a fact. So you need to be super focused. You need to be hyper focused. Now, how can you improve your focus? Practice as much as you can. Practice listening exams as much as you can. During the exam, you don't let your mind wander. I mean, our mind is always wandering here and there. We don't realize it, and we kind of come back to it. But in the listening exam, the minute you lose your focus and you come back, you've already lost some important information. So it's high risk. So just try and keep your focus, number one, and that will only come through practice. Another thing that students face is the familiarity of the accents. So you need to be, as non-native speakers of the English language, we need to familiarize ourselves with the accents. The best way to do that is to watch shows that are using these accents. They're using the British accent, they're using the Irish accent or the Scottish accent, and and the Australian accent. Watch those shows as much as you can. MasterChef Australia, MasterChef in general, the British version. Top Gear is another really good show. Just watch them. Just enjoy them. Don't focus too much while watching them. Your mind is already taking in all of those accents, and you are becoming familiar with the accents, right? So that is one thing. Another thing that I always tell my students, besides the practicing, besides familiarizing yourself with these accents, is that the assessment objective is that your English has to be absolutely correct in the listening exam, which means grammatically correct, spellings correct, the proper nouns have to have the proper noun structure, and so on. Like my name, Aisha Adil, the A of Aisha and the A of Adil has to be capitalized. Also the names of places and people. People I already told you, but places as well. So your spelling mistake is going to be a wrong answer. Your proper noun, common noun written incorrectly is going to be a wrong answer. You have to be very vigilant, hyper vigilant, hyper focused, hyper vigilant, hyper prepared, hyper familiar. The key word here is hyper. Anyway, best of luck for your IELTS exam. Actually, I've been teaching IELTS for so long that these suggestions are just bubbling inside of me, and they're just waiting to come out. And it's like Miss Rachel says, bubble, 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 pop. Take care. Allah Hafiz.